Hello, welcome everyone to another adventure. So we are here today. We decided to come and do a little adventure in Staffordshire Hotel, Alton Towers. Please feel free to like, share and subscribe to the videos. That'd be really helpful for the channel, and we'll see you soon. There we go. Let's go inside and take a look inside. There's this little bell here. Press this little secret. Then you get the little noise. Wow, look. There we go. How awesome is this? And you've got the desk just over to your right. Right there, mate. So you can check in. So you've got these automatic check-in things that you can do. If you book online, then you can use those to check in and get your keys. Oh, is that good, Jack?
Oh.
Charlie?
I'm just doing some colouring. Everyone's colouring.
Just doing some colouring, eh? Ah, it's because there's a little colouring table just there as you come in to check in to keep them all busy. Yeah. Oh, look at these lovely fish. Fishies. Come in, let's go and check the room out.
And room number, so it's on this level. So
Let's go. Yeah, fishies in there. Yeah. So, just through there is the splash landings pool. As I said, this is where the entertainment happens. Just through here, that's the stage where the entertainment. We might catch up a little bit later. And just at the back over here is the bar. You can get yourself a cheeky little drink. Got a menu over here, I can just get out. Yeah. So there are 3 floors in this hotel, and this one we're staying in this time is on the 1st floor, so on the same floor as reception. So just behind me there, you can see there's some lifts that take you down to the splash pool, or the big pool that they've got, which I'll show you on the video. Or to the different levels. You can actually get to the other hotel. They're all connected basically. I might be able to show you that in a little while. But yeah, let's have a look.
4-3.
So these are the corridors, the themed corridors there with the sea carpets.
4-3.
Like a sand. So what's the theme of this hotel then, Soph?
Caribbean.
Caribbean.
I think. Come on, Charlie.
Caribbean. Ah, is there a crab on the floor, Charlie? Little what?
Fingers. So this is the bathroom. We've got some toiletries here. We've got a bath gel, hand soap and shampoo. You've got some towels here. So we've got 2 big bath towels and 2 small towels. I think you can ask for more. It's a nice bit of detail there, a bit of Caribbean. This is me, hello. Shower, so you've got the option obviously to have a bath which is good for little ones. Yeah, so this is the little bathroom, which is quite colourful. Then we've also got a cot if you need one. You've got an ironing board, some nice storage space up top as well. You can put some bits down below. TV, you've got quite a lot of channels. We tend to just put the CBeebies on for the little ones. Then you've got your tea and coffee, some biscuits, some nice little colouring pack for the children, keep them entertained. Bunk beds, nice full-length mirror, phone if you need it. The kids have already started making a mess of the bed, but yeah, double bed. Some more like storage there where the TV is. You've also got underneath here, there's a hairdryer. In here, some more storage. I suppose it would be handy if you had a fridge, but yeah, so yeah, it's a nice little room. Then outside,
oh, we've got a very good view of the outside pool. How good's that?
And the water park is inside.
Zoom in there as well.
Can you hear that noise?
but you can open the top window and also the bottom just a bit.
Like Victorian windows.
Yeah, so you haven't got to worry about the kids falling out. Fan, no aircon, but it does keep you cool. But yeah, it is a very warm hotel, and it does state that actually, I think on the website, and they tell you at reception sometimes as well, because they keep it warm because of the Waterpark. And that's yeah, it's nice in the winter anyway, but in the summer, obviously it does get very, very warm. But yeah, this is our little room for one night. Paid £144, but as I said before, we paid £75 for one night, and also we've paid like £87. So it depends when you come and when you book, but you can get it quite cheap, and then sometimes it's it can be a lot more money.
So if you need an accessible room, if you just ask when you check in.
You book online.
You book in online. Can you get an accessible room online now?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Yeah, because
Okay.
I've done it by an accident before.
Okay, so you can book it online if you need an accessible room, or if you're checking in, then check in and ask for it. 20% off in the Waterpark as well, right?
Only Merlin. We got the gold pass, so 20% off on the gold pass.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we will be doing that probably, but I won't be taking you because we haven't got a waterproof camera yet. It's still early days. So here at Alton Towers there is also a mini golf. So if you are staying at a hotel, it's completely free, complimentary. You just show your ticket or like your room key at the kiosk, and they'll give you a little round of mini golf. So let me just show you what that looks like. You can see it's all over there. It's all themed up. So the mini golf itself is actually themed like the rides and the roller coasters of the currently and from the past. So yeah, there you go. So that's a little kiosk there, you go in there.
Everybody singing. Everybody, move your feet and feel united. Oh, get ready to pose. 3, 2, 1, and pose.
Alright, so if you want to come through to the hallways that go between the different hotels, you come down to level 2 and then you follow the route I'm going to show you. Okay, so there is a conference centre just down here, and you go past the conference centre, and then that brings you out into the Alton Towers Hotel. Here we are. So, in regards to the entertainment, in the evenings you can go to all of the hotels apart from CBeebies, because that is different. Their CBeebies is only available for CBeebies guests. So yeah, the other hotels are all intermixed, so you can walk through and use the facilities in any of them, just not the rooms. Yeah, so you can sit and enjoy the entertainment at Splash Landings, and then you can come down here and enjoy the entertainment at the Alton Towers main hotel. But yeah, that's it. Alright, let's have a look at the breakfast. So they've got some cereal, some milk, like kiddie cereals as well. Got some like ready-made pancakes that you can enjoy there. Oh, you got some eggs, fried eggs, scrambled eggs. You've got beans and mushrooms, tomatoes, hash browns, that kind of thing. Sort of your typical full English breakfast kind of thing. Sausages, bacon. Then you've got like the bread section. Some fruit there as well. You can get some fruit in the mornings if you like that kind of thing, and then some pastries. And you get your coffee and whatnot, and then there's a water park just there. So the breakfast here, although it is included, isn't that great. It's okay. I mean, it will give you some fuel for the day. But if you're quite particular about your breakfast, then I recommend you bring something that you want to eat. Or you just put up with what they've got. You can see what I've just put in the video. Yeah.